Good afternoon, students, and welcome to session about the business analytics, in which we will see about the today's lecture, that is news vendor model. News vendor model, it is a part of Monte Carlo simulation model. There are different models in the Monte Carlo simulation. So after news vendor model, we will see about the cash budget model. So this is the outline of today's lecture, that is news vendor model. In news vendor model, where we will see the flaws of the averages, how we can calculate average for the news vendor model. After that, we will see about the Monte Carlo simulation using historical data. How we will take historical data for the Monte Carlo simulation. Monte Carlo simulation using fitted distribution. So there are different type of distribution is there: binomial distribution, normal distribution, and fitted distribution. So we will see the example of fitted distribution using Monte Carlo simulation. After that, we will see the interactive simulation. How interactive simulation is done in the news vendor model. So what is we will start with the what is news vendor model. In news vendor model, we have to apply the Monte Carlo simulation. So Monte Carlo simulation is applied to forecast the probability. It will forecast the what type of probability will be there for purchasing the different type of quantity. So example is taken of that Moore pharmaceutical company, and we will calculate the profitability of different purchase quantities when the future demand is uncertain. Future demand is uncertain. For that value, we have to forecast what is the profit for that quantities. Suppose that the store owner kept record for the past 20 years. So store owner will keep the record of 20 years on the number of boxes sold. How many number of boxes sold? So store owner has kept the 20 years data, historical data he has taken. In figure we can see that is the example of news vendor model, where the model where demand is 44 and purchase quantity is 44. So profit predict the profit will be $254. Number of historical data is quantity data is given, wins, and then frequency is given, and there is a graph plotted between the histogram graph is plotted win versus the frequency. For the Moore example, Moore pharmaceutical, that is news vendor model. In that model, we will now apply the average value. Average value formula will be applied in the news vendor model. So we can see in the example where the news vendor model data is given of selling price of $18, cost price is 12, and discount price is profit, that is $9. In model, demand is 44, purchase quantity is 44. So for that, we have to predict the profit, that is will be $254. For each historical data sales value, dollar is 264. Average sales value profit will be $265, and average historical quantity sales will be 44 unit. For 44 unit, average value for the purchase quantity will be dollar, that is profit will be 265. So this is the example how we can apply average value in the news vendor model. Now we see the flaws of averages. The evaluation of model output using the average value of the input. So how the average value will be taken of the input and then evaluated the model output. That is not equal to the average value of output when evaluated with each of the input value. For each input value, we will take the average value of that output. That is the flaw of averages. So this is used in the evaluation of any model. Using average values in model can conceal risk. So if we apply more average value in the model, then we are taking the risk for that model. Now we see another topic, that is the Monte Carlo simulation using historical data. So how historical data? We will first take historical data and then we can apply Monte Carlo simulation. We can perform Monte Carlo simulation by resampling. So first we have to resample the data, and after that from the historical sales we have to distribution will be done and Monte Carlo simulation will be applied. After applying Monte Carlo for resampling, value is selected randomly from the historical data. So suppose there is an example taken of last 20 years data for the data of records for Moderna pharmaceutical company, where we will apply the Monte Carlo simulation for the resampling. Example, how we can simulate the news vendor model using the resampling technique. Generate candidate sale. So we have to generate the historical candidate sale for the resampling from 20 historical values. So we will take the last 20 past data and then we will generate the historical candidate sales by applying the resampling technique. After that, we will enter the formula in the Monte Carlo simulation model, that is analytics solver platform. We will apply the in the sheet. We will apply the formula, that is PSI is uniform D2 B2 D21 into the cell B1. So in B1 formula, in B1 cell, we will apply this formula for calculating the resampling. After applying formula, we will set the profit value in the B17 as an uncertain function. So profit value is uncertain function which will be applied in B17 in the Excel sheet. So this is the how where figure in figure the example where shown of resampling, where simulation result is given, and result is given for the purchase quantity 44. So in x-axis dollar is given, and in y-axis frequency historical data frequency is given, where simulation result is giving for the 44 quantity. So this is the figure of how we can simulate news vendor model using resampling. Now we see the Monte Carlo simulation using fitted distribution. How fitted distribution will be applied in the Monte Carlo simulation. Sampling from empirical data. So empirical data will be important, which is the drawback of sampling. Sampling is a one type of process where we have to apply for the data. We have to sample the data from the data set. That is called sampling. The empirical data may not adequately represent the true value. So empirical data will not take the true value for the population. Population is a part of people or the data, that is called population, because of sampling error. So we have to calculate the sampling error for the data. So empirical data is not important for that sampling. Using an empirical distribution, sampling values outside the range of actual data. For empirical distribution, we have to calculate the sample error and it is outside the range of the actual data. Example, using the fitted distribution for the Monte Carlo simulation. So how we can apply fitted distribution in Monte Carlo simulation tool, that is analytical solver platform, that we will see in example. So in shown in figure, there is an example of Monte in frequency done for the graph is plotted for the negative binomial distribution, where distribution value is taken and it is selected using that fitted distribution model in the Monte Carlo simulation, that is analytical solver platform. In that we can see different types of parameters are there for negative binomial. We have to select that, and then it will plot the simulate the graph, which is shown as a bar graph in example. That is the another example. That is the example where negative binomial function is used. Now next we will see the interactive simulation. How interactive simulation will be done? Whenever the simulate button is clicked, when we click the after done Monte Carlo simulation in analytical solver platform, we will click the simulation button and we will get the simulated result. You will notice that light bulb in the icon turns right. So bulb will turn bright for the interactive simulation. If you change any number in the model, so if we change any number in the model, analytical solver platform will automatically run. So analytical solver platform will automatically run the simulation, and for the any type of quantity, it is easy to conduct what will happen in the analysis. Interactive simulation, which is shown in the figure, where the result are used for the production, and purchase quantity is $44, and in x-axis frequency dollar is given, in y-axis frequency is given, and simulated result is shown for the interactive simulation model. That is the example of fitted distribution, where in x-axis different type of quantities there, and after that if we press the button, simulated button, then will we get the simulated result, which is shown in the interactive. In next lecture we will see about the in next lecture we will see about the different models in the Monte Carlo simulation. That is over budget model. In over budget model, it is one type of model, that is of the Monte Carlo simulation. After that we will see about the cash budget model with example how Monte Carlo simulation is applied in the cash budget model. After that we will see the selective approaches. What are the selective appropriate model in the forecasting techniques, and after that we will see the regression technique in the forecasting model. So this is about the unit 4. After that we will see about the decision analysis, that is we will start with unit 5. Stay tuned for further lecture series.